Hi y'all, I'm Chase. This is my 2021 Harley-Davidson Pan America Special, affectionately known as Wichita, and she's loaded down. Every bag is full, top box is on. The new stealth muffler is on there, the moto muffler version. So we're going to see what kind of fuel economy we got. I did like 220 some miles, so yeah, this one, I took it down to, it's down to like a quarter tank. That's the lowest I've ever taken it, but I was so close to being where I needed to stop, so I just kind of went the extra like 7 to 10 miles. So oh well, we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't hurt the fuel pump, because we all know those are suspect. All right. Okay. We were at 2.3, and we put 4.7 gallons in. Okay, 47.29, fully loaded bike. I mean, fully loaded. This is full. That's not bad. 47.3 miles to the gallon. That's still beating the average that Harley states, which is 46. Of course, I am only 150 pounds. Well, 147, but we'll just say 150 for the ease of numbers' sake, for calculation's sake. I think I've got about, we'll call the bike about 600 pounds, because I think all this stuff is probably a good 40 or 50 pounds. So we'll say 600, 610 plus my 150, everything together. So yeah, that's not bad at all. So I guess that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, click that ding link to be notified of any new videos I'm coming out with, and wow, it's a pretty surprise. Bye y'all.